How do you get crispy skin on pan-fried salmon? We're going to show you the technique today. After which, we will prepare a lemon sauce which goes perfectly with the salmon. We have here 2 pieces of salmon. To get crispy skin, it is important to ensure that the fish is dry. Coat the fish with a tablespoon of cornstarch. The other key success factor is to have a very hot pan when you start cooking. We are using a stainless steel pan today. Drop some water into the pan. The pan is hot if you see bubbles appearing immediately when the water hits the pan. Look. The pan is now hot. We are now ready to fry. Make sure the oil is hot before we put in the salmon. Keep the heat at medium for 1 minute. When the crust is formed after 1 minute, reduce heat to low and let the skin continue to sear for another 7 minutes. In order to ensure that the top is cooked and to avoid having to flip the fish, I would cover the pan during the last 2 minutes of pan frying. Look at that beautiful crust. To prepare the sauce, we are using about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add half a bowl of water. Add sugar to taste. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Crack some salt and pepper. And the sauce is done. Enjoy.